What's up, guys? What's up? What's popping up? I've missed that intro. No. As you all don't know, nilipat na kami. Nilipat kami ng bahay. Wait lang, let me open the curtain. Yan, para mas maliwanag ang buhay. Nilipat kami ng bahay. And then, there's a lot of things that I need to fix and I need to sort out. Ang dami kong lilinisan, dami kong asikasuhin. Meron pa dito sa likod. Ayan. We have these boxes and we actually have, okay, so dito mga wires and my PS4 games and actually my PS4. So I don't know but where to put it. Hindi ko na alam. So ngayon pala ako maglilinis. Ngayon pala ako magliligpit. And I'm actually excited sa lilipatan namin bahay kasi I got a bigger room with my brother, of course. Yun lang. Kainis lang kasi dami ko liligpitin. But I gotta get started if I want to finish this. Kasi may class pa ako ng 2. May class pa ako ng 2 p.m. It's gonna be a hell long week since meron pa akong tour guiding sa Saturday. And then Sunday, it's my birthday! Yun lang. I'm gonna celebrate my birthday with my fam, of course. Yun lang. Gonna keep you updated. Now, I just finished like 1/4 of everything na nasa kwarto ko. So, unti na lang. Masasort out ko na siya. And then, we're gonna remove this bed. Actually, bed ni Kent yung nasa kabila. And then, my bed will stay here for about until my birthday. Yun lang. Nakapagod. Yun lang. As you can see, I'm sweating. Natanggal ko na lahat. Natanggal ko na din. Pati yung lamesa. All that's left is my shoe rack. And the guitar. And my clothes also. Yun na lang titira sa akin. After this, then I'm done. And lipat na. Yun lang.
One more! West on a bus, go Swiss, Swiss, Swiss!
Filipinos and Americans. So before we dive into the significance of this marker,
Yes! Score! Score! 100. Das lang daw.
Today is November 17 and it's my birthday. Kahapon, I wasn't able to do a vlog or shoot some clips because kami tour guiding kahapon. Parang ngayon, I can shoot some vlogs na. And ano pa ba? I'm getting a new tattoo today. And, birthday gift sa akin ng tito ko. So, I'm getting a new tattoo today. Yeah. You know what my realization my realization kasi is that as we grow up, as we grow older, hindi na tayo na-attract dun sa mga gifts, okay, sa mga bonggang party. Ewan ko sa akin lang. Now, I think the greatest gift that I received is that I was able to reach until 23. Because I'm 23 ngayon. Another year, and I'm thankful for that, and I think that's what matters the most, you know. You're able to survive a 1 year ulit. And being able to celebrate it with your friends and family. That's what I'm looking forward to now, right now. It's not about the gifts and the parties anymore. It's about experience or the moments that you will create. So yeah, today I'm getting a new tattoo and then celebrate with my family. Ayan lang.
Ako manandago yung mong i-upload na nanan ko. Ay, kabala ka man ng copyright. Maliwa, yung mong tayo. Copyright sa music. Ay, lagi po. Kaya music. Alang-alang.
I guess when we're young, we choose to believe.
Okay guys, so today we're gonna be moving out na. We're transferring every abobot or everything nandito sa ang dami kong transfer. Ang dami. My shoes, my clothes, and meron pa sa baba. Kaya good luck. We're still moving. It's 7 p.m. na. We're still moving some things. Napagpalit na ako ng damit kasi sobrang pawis na, pero tuloy pa rin. Konti na lang. Just going to update you pag kung ano itsura ng place namin or ng kwarto ko.
The latest trend now is the smart destination. So most likely, other destinations will becoming a smart destination. And for a smart destination, there are 7 to become a smart
What's the vlog? Pretty girl. Tonet. Tonet. Pretty girl.
So, Mario siya, so may wala na siya atong character of this table. Kaya bakit sila mag-this table of office atong travelers? Definitely important sa akin. Kaya kayo ba kompleto kung kamot siya? Sa dating sa Vice Sir.
Gizom. Basta kay gizom niya.
Unsa gonsa? Eh, wala na ako sa vlog ni guys. Vlog ni siya, vlog. Gabi na. Okay, ate. Sorry. Gabi na guys, gabi na. Alam mo lang mo gabi di ay. Mahuli na may What's my vlog? Watch my vlog. Okay, ate.
Vlogger.
Watch my vlog sa YouTube.
Tala na natapon ba?
Biyo mo ba?
Pag malangin sa mga yatubag sa tunet. Mana sir, ako na.
Bye-bye na guys, bye-bye.
Ayaw, kay napay lights.
Sid, lights.
Bye everyone. Ay, mag-motor ka man. Just ignore buzzers always. Buzzers, doon mo sa buzzer. Pwede sa Peter. Bye-bye, but sir. Sir, bye-bye mo. Wala.
So I just wanted to ask what are your expectations for today's event? Of course, you have a pasiklaban. Ano, what are the...
It's a nice way to end this vlog. Super kapoy. And as a student, graduating student, dami namin ginagawa. Especially sa research namin. And I hope, and I really hope na matapos na namin to. But, yeah. It's nice to be back here sa aking lungga. So I think that's all. Medyo, I'm gonna clean my room pag. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. A week life in a teen adult life as a teen adult. Ayun. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. And see you in my next vlog. Because I've got to take a rest. Yun lang. Goodbye. Peace.